So today video will go through the part 2 concept of user and group in Azure AD. So we'll go through the hands-on lab. So now I'm in Azure AD. Uh, so here you can see, right? We'll create one user. Here you can see here you can see the existing user in this Azure AD tenant. So now we'll create one new user. So here we'll give, and this will be the name. It will be taking as in cloud with Ankita. This is the domain, and then on Microsoft.com. So here you can keep that. You need to put principal name and display name and the password. We can keep our own password, or we can keep that auto generated password. So if you're keeping our auto generated password, then we need to copy it. Why? Because if we're after creating the account, while login it will ask for that password, so we need to keep the password, this auto generated one, and then we can reset to our own password. So we can keep it here. I can copy, then account is enable. Okay, we'll go through next page. Here I can say I can give something like cloud. Then the last name I can give Keta. Here you can say it is asking for member guest. We'll keep member. Asking edit certificate user ID. So as of now we haven't. And here we need to give details. So these all are the attributes we need to fill while creating one user account. So we can keep that attribute as per our requirement. But here we need to fill it. India. Okay, we can give next assignment. Here we can add any you need, or you can add any group add role. So later part also we can add it. If you want to add, you can add from here. These are all are the directory role it's present, like application admin, developer, global admin, okay, global reader, okay, all this role also we can assign. So if you want to assign, we can also assign any role. So suppose we want application admin, we can select. So in this way we can assign it. So yeah, I'm getting this error. Why? Because I do have that uh, free subscription. But suppose you want to add in specific role, then you need to have P1 or P2 license. So in the previous video, I told you, right, what is free P1 and P2 license. So okay, So we can review and create. We'll refresh it. Okay, here also we have that refresh page. Okay, so cloud with Ankita it has created. You can see from here display name. Okay, so suppose I need to change, I can edit the properties. So now I'm in cloud with Ankita user. So here I can edit the properties. So here I can edit it. So I don't want to do any modification. So I will keep cancel. So now you can see right, it is enabled, and we haven't assigned any role, or we haven't assigned any group to this particular user. And like suppose you want to delete the user, you can keep delete user. And suppose you want to reset the password, we can reset the password from here. Okay, so it will give one temporary password. Okay, so we can keep this password while signing. If we need to keep this temporary password, then it will ask for that new password, so we can give our permanent password. And revoke session is like suppose we want to revoke the uh, session for the particular user. So in that case it will be revoke session of current uh, user. It will be log out from all the application for the particular user. So this is the one. And we can also check that monitoring. So yeah, as I told you right, we don't have that premium license, so we will not get it. But here you can see that we can modify all these things like phone number, email ID. So yeah, but while creating user we need to make sure like we gave that correct user's location. Why? Because it is very important. We'll create in a particular because directory, so it is very important. Not able to add if you will not give the correct like UGS location, then it will not it will be tough to add that license to the particular user. Why? Because if you're giving that UGS location as in India, then it will be create, the user will be provisioned in the particular DC. So yeah, so here also we can enable. And also suppose we, this ID is sync with that on premises ID, it will be like on premises syncs enable. Now it is no, because we have only created the user in Azure AD. So yeah, so this is the session like for uh, so yeah, this is the session like and one more thing like suppose you want to restore any user also. Suppose I have okay, for that one I need to delete that my user. Okay, this one I need to delete it. Okay, let me delete this user. Okay, let me delete it. Okay, it's user successfully deleted. You can refresh this page. Okay, now you can see, right? It will take some time. Okay, now you can see. I mean, sorry. Now you can see there is no user with cloud with Ankita, and we'll go from deleted user. Normally, we can restore it in 30 days, but it also depends upon the license and subscription. And you can, here you can see, right, restore user, or you can do delete permanently. So I'm giving it restore user. So let me refresh this page. Okay, let me open this all user. Now you can see, right, it is showing cloud with Ankita is presently. So let me remove it permanently. So okay, let me refresh it. Okay, you can see, right, I am not able to see that cloud with Ankita user. And now I need to go delete user. So I will be delete permanently. You can see it's showing, right, users are permanently deleted automatically 30 days after they are deleted. Okay, so one more thing, like suppose we have a lot of user. So at that time, we do not need to create a user one by one. Okay, so in that case, we can use this one, like operation, bulk operation. It will be in CSV files, so we can create, invite, or delete. Here also we can restore that bulk. Here you can also restore the bulk, restore by using this bulk restore. So yeah, so if you have any query or something, you can comment in that channel. Okay, comment in the video. I will be try to help it out. So yeah, so in the next session we will go through that group. So thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.